Hello, everyone. In this article, we will introduce the traditional Japanese breakfast, tamago kake gohan TKG, why raw eggs are safe to eat, and some delicious recipe variations. We will also explain in detail the history of tamago kake gohan and the unique ways of eating it in each region. In addition, we will delve into the nutritional value of eggs and their health benefits, and tell you about the appeal of tamago kake gohan from a broader perspective. Chapter 1. What is tamago kake gohan? Tamago kake gohan is a simple yet profound Japanese home-cooked dish in which raw eggs are poured over freshly cooked rice and seasoned with soy sauce. It is loved by many Japanese people because of its ease and deliciousness. In addition, you can expand the variations infinitely by being creative with the types of toppings. For example, you can enjoy a change in taste by adding green onions, seaweed, and cheese. In addition, arrangements that add miso, butter, tuna, and natto are also popular, and you can enjoy different flavors for each. Chapter 2. Why raw eggs are safe in Japan. Consuming raw eggs is a concern because of the risk of food poisoning caused by salmonella. However, in Japan, the safety of raw eggs is ensured by thorough hygiene management, such as the following. Hygiene management at poultry farms. Measures are taken to prevent the intrusion of salmonella bacteria, such as disinfecting chicken coops, managing the hygiene of workers, and installing bird-proof nets. In addition, regular inspections are conducted, and the quality of eggs is strictly checked. Washing and sterilization of eggs harvested. Eggs are washed and sterilized in specialized facilities to remove bacteria from the surface. Advanced technology is introduced in Japanese egg factories to minimize the risk of contamination. In addition, improved quality control prevents cracks in the shells. Temperature control during distribution. Eggs are stored and transported at low temperatures to suppress the growth of bacteria. In addition, the expiration date is clearly written at the time of sale, so that consumers can eat them safely. In particular, in Japan, it is recommended to eat raw eggs within the expiration date, which can be said to be a testament to advanced quality control. Chapter 3. History of raw eggs and regional characteristics. There are various theories about the origin of raw eggs and rice, but there are records that it became popular during the Meiji period. In particular, it is said that a culinary expert in Tottori Prefecture popularized it, and it has spread throughout Japan. There are also different ways to eat it in each region, with dashi soy sauce being the norm in Western Japan, and simple soy sauce being the only ingredient in Eastern Japan. In addition, some regions add special sauces and sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Considering these elements, we can see that raw egg rice is not just a simple dish, but has taken root in Japanese food culture, while changing with the times and regions. Chapter 4. Recipe variations for raw egg rice. The basic method of making raw egg rice is very simple. First, put freshly cooked warm rice into a bowl. Next, crack a fresh raw egg into the rice, and add the desired amount of soy sauce. Stir well so that the egg and soy sauce are evenly mixed into the rice before eating. Adding green onions, seaweed, or bonito flakes to taste will make it even more delicious. A recent trend that has been attracting attention is to add ajinomoto to the rice. Ajinomoto is an umami seasoning whose main ingredient is monosodium glutamate, and it has the effect of giving a deep richness and umami to dishes. Adding a pinch of it to raw egg rice gives it a more mellow and rich taste. Raw egg rice is a simple dish, but with a little ingenuity, you can enjoy a variety of flavors. Here are some recommended recipe variations. 1. Salt and green onion raw egg rice. Add sesame oil and salt to chopped green onions, and place on rice for a rich flavor. 2. Butter and soy sauce raw egg rice. Place butter on warm rice, add soy sauce and egg for a rich flavor. 3. Mentaiko raw egg rice. By topping with mentaiko, the spicy heat and the mellowness of the egg are perfectly matched. 4. Cheese raw egg rice. Add powdered cheese or melted cheese to create a Western-style flavor. 5. Korean-style egg and rice. Add sesame oil and Korean seaweed, and mix in a little spicy gochujang for a delicious dish. 6. Avocado and egg and rice. Add cubed avocado, soy sauce, and wasabi for a rich, creamy flavor. 7. Dashi soy sauce and egg and rice. Use dashi soy sauce with the flavor of bonito flakes and kelp instead of regular soy sauce for a refined flavor. 8. Umeboshi and egg and rice. Add finely chopped umeboshi plums to enjoy the refreshing acidity and richness of the eggs. 9. Japanese-style tuna and egg and rice. Add tuna and chopped seaweed, add a small amount of soy sauce, and mix for a hearty flavor. 10. Garlic pepper and egg and rice. Top with garlic chips and black pepper to add a spicy, savory flavor. In addition, to enjoy raw egg rice even more, we recommend arranging the rice itself. For example, using mixed grain rice or brown rice will change the texture and nutritional value, allowing you to enjoy it in a different way. Furthermore, by using a hot spring egg or a soft-boiled egg, you can experience a richer taste that is different from regular raw eggs. Try these arrangements and find your favorite raw egg rice. Raw egg rice is one of Japan's representative home-cooked dishes. Simple and convenient, yet with a deep flavor. Chapter 5: The History of Raw Egg Rice and Regional Characteristics. The history of raw egg rice is surprisingly old, and it is said to have spread during the Meiji period. The habit of eating raw eggs was rare in the food culture of the time, so it was a groundbreaking event that raw egg rice became popular. The background to this was the development of the livestock industry after the Meiji period, and the review of nutritional value due to the westernization of the diet. Another factor in its popularity is that egg preservation technology has improved, making it safe to eat raw eggs. Nowadays, there are distinctive ways of eating it in each region. For example, it is common to use dashi soy sauce in Kansai and sweet soy sauce in Kyushu. In the Shikoku region, the addition of yuzu pepper to add flavor has become popular. In Hokkaido, salmon roe and salmon flakes are sometimes topped to make it a more luxurious dish. Although egg on rice is simple, there is a wide range of variations, and original styles have been created in each region. For example, in Shizuoka, a popular way to eat it is to pour wasabi soy sauce over it, which creates an exquisite match of spiciness and aroma. In Tokyo, a way to add a little sesame oil to give it richness is attracting attention. Furthermore, in Okinawa, there is an arrangement that adds shikuwasa juice to enjoy a refreshing flavor. In this way, Japanese egg on rice is a safe and attractive dish that can be arranged in a variety of ways. From traditional flavors to new arrangements, please try various ways to eat it and find your favorite style. In particular, Japanese Western fusion styles such as pouring truffle oil or topping it with cheese are attracting attention in recent years. Furthermore, due to the increasing health consciousness, egg on rice, using mixed grain rice and brown rice has become popular. It is highly nutritious and rich in dietary fiber, so it is also recommended for those on a diet. In addition, egg on rice dishes using vegan egg substitutes have also been developed and are spreading as a new era food culture. Egg on rice is easy to make and highly nutritious, so it is also recommended as a busy breakfast or snack. If you have any ideas or variations, please let us know in the comments. This channel delivers information that is useful for Japanese food, culture and life. If you like it, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you for watching.